What's good, YouTube? Boy D got kicks back in another one. Today we are gonna be going to a good car meet. My boy Richie. Yeah. Bro backed it out. Shit is nasty. There's gonna be some nasty cars there today. So I'm gonna bring y'all some good content and I'll hit y'all when I'm at the car meet. See y'all in a little bit. Back. We got under here. Little some. Nasty. Big body turbo. Nasty. M5 comp. Nasty. Oh, it's an M3. My bad.
That's the one I find in the gas.
I know. Is it manual? Oh, that's the auto. Bro, everybody loves these G80s, bro.
No, they're so fun to fly. If they're not doing shit.
G82.
Decided to humble yourself today, huh?
What is the
240 is crazy. It's a 240. It's crazy. Let's go look at that GTR.
One, two, three little tears.
Nasty.
Okay, like usage of it, and eventually, like I'll have people ask, like, all right, it's starting to like annoy me, like,
Bro, what?
something like that.
And this is a
Really
green color. This is a green color too.
Doors or like the fenders.
It looks black, but then when you go around, it's green.
It's like movement.
When I have that,
You know this. It's moving.
Yeah, it's a T-spec.
I'm so sad.
T-spec. What's the is that like the higher one you can get, or is it Nismo the highest one you can get?
T-spec.
So what's the difference between the T-spec and a regular one? Huh? Big V10.
That one went to go auto, bro.
Huh?
That one went to go auto.
How do you know?
Because I saw it.
Big V10. Bro, that's the color I want if I was to get one. That green color is so nasty.
This one's twin turbo.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, this car show is nasty. RS3. M5 comp, bro. Nasty. I'm about to go look at that Shelby. I want to see what he's got in the hood. Oh, manual too? That's an expensive wing right there. Is this turbo, do you think? Yeah, I know, comp. And this wrap is nasty too.
Nah, that's the OEM color.
This is an OEM color?
And it has carbon buckets.
Aren't the carbon buckets expensive? I guess
Yes, though.
that's an add-on though. I thought the carbon
Like
buckets
those
were
rims are
add-on.
OEM too.
Really?
Yeah. Everything's
All this
OEM.
carbon too?
Yeah. Well, like the red caps and stuff on. It's crazy.
No, it's nasty. Bro, this thing's turbo too. This should be moving, bro. We'll go look at the McLarens. Excuse me. Back at this car show, this is going crazy. Shout out my boy Richie. Bring me to the car show, let me know about it. Gonna look at a big Shelby. See what he's got. You think he's pushing HPs, boys? HPs? Ooh, McLaren, bro, it's so nasty. It's a big body. Nasty, bro. Bro, he even got the little card of Agile. That's sick. This thing's nasty. This Maserati's dope too. Bro, for some reason, I don't know why, like these colors, like these sand colors be looking like wraps. But it's definitely OEM. But tell me, no, bro, this is like a McLaren body style. Does it remind you a little bit of a McLaren, the way it's shaped?
Yeah, it does. Dry license plate, appreciate it. He's losing money.
Oh, another GTR. I can see why everybody likes them, bro. They're nasty. Yeah, obviously, like, I don't know, bro. But if I feel like if I was spending that much money on an R35, I'd just rather get an R34. Nasty manual too. Shit, I might use this as my thumbnail or a McLaren. Huh?
The GT3's over there.
Where? Well, just making sure, bro. I gotta make sure I get at least a thumbnail.
This ain't for me.
Nasty, bro. Big body. These things are so nasty. Bro, this is why I'm a Beamer boy.
Well, even that 540 is nice. It's not even an M5.
Huh?
It's only a 540, but look how clean it is.
Yeah, I know. It's a big body. Shits are still dumb expensive.
The fives are just a, like smidge.
Car care. Bro, this blue V10 is nasty. M2. That's what I want, bro. I want an M2 so bad.
I have the.
That's a GT3 right there.
So I'm hoping I can call this.
I want an M2 so bad.
I have to go to school. Yeah, it's also like 10 grand. That's exactly why I don't want to do it.
Nasty.
But no one has
GT3. What you like better, GT3 or GT4?
Of course.
What's the difference? Is it like just like motor wise, or is it? See, someone brought a bro. See, that's a drone.
Could have been you.
Should have brought one. Oh, is that the Tesla bike too? Big body Cybertruck. Thing's basically bulletproof. Thing's basically bulletproof, bro.
Oh, and he got the 4-wheeler.
Yeah. Bro brought the 4-wheeler too? Bro, that's like that thing's got like, it's mad slow, but it's like 7 grand. But if you got it, you got it.
So they had a bunch of guys.
Bro, that 4-wheeler is it's like 5 grand, bro. It's mad slow. Let's go see some of these lambs. Yeah. Nasty car me. I had to bring y'all some good content from the last one. Appreciate y'all for going up on the last video. Shit was busting. I had some comments, subscribe, like. Let me know what you guys think about the content so we can continue to go up. What? Two-tone?
Both of them.
I know. Is this a CT? What is this? CTSV or CT4 Blackwing? CT4 V. Yeah. I'm gonna say M3 comp too. Nasty. I think I gotta use either a McLaren. Oh, STO. Yeah.
I'm down, man. I'm down. All right. Well, I wish you the best of luck.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
STO.
Take it easy, bro.
Oh, it's that dude with the M3 comp. Younger dude.
Might as well another 20. You know me?
STO's nasty. One day, guys, one day. Fat ass wing too, bro. So nasty. Bro, the only thing that would make me so happy is if I seen an SVJ. If I seen an SVJ here,
You need to leave.
bro, SVJ would be like, would be the craziest thing ever. R7's nasty too. Bro, it's tough.
I don't know. It's in my freezer.
Lamb. Another lamb. Bro, this thing is sitting on the floor, bro. V10 too. I know, I'm just saying, I hope wish he popped the hood. I wanna see if that thing, we got big twins in it. Nah, where's that McLaren at?
Oh, yeah, there's a couple
Oh,
more.
look at him. This dumbass. Dumbass ran into the tree, bro. Who's flying that? Bro, who's flying that, bro? Flew in the tree, almost killed it. Bro don't know how to fly his drone. Ooh. You think he's got upgraded twins in here? Or nah?
Probably not.
I don't know, bro. I ain't gonna lie though. I'm not a big fan of the lime green. Only on like this right here. Damn, bro, look at that exhaust. Damn. Nasty. 720S. Nasty. Isn't McLaren like one of the fastest like stock cars you can get for like a hypercar? Supercar, hypercar, yeah. Bear with me, guys. I don't know a lot about this tax bracket cars. This is out of my tax bracket here.
I like the original
Shoot, bringing out the OG. Nasty. That's nasty. Blacked out carbon hood.
That's tough. I didn't see that.
Yeah. Damn, bro's got a... Oh, I thought it was matte aerodynamic, but it's blocked. It's nasty, bro. Look at that big ass exhaust.
Oh, you got one of those license plate
McLaren daddy, bro. Give him a follow, I guess. Give him a follow. Nasty. Buckets, carbon everywhere. One day, guys, if you guys keep supporting me and I keep grinding, one day we'll be here. Have one of these. Nasty. Good car meet. Glad I came out. Think this thing be shooting flames? think that thing be shooting flames? Downshifting and shooting flames? 740's nasty too. Bro, throw the Toyota badge on. Wait, I thought this was a BMW. Interesting. I thought that was a BMW. It's got a Toyota engine in it.
Let's go to the other parking lot.
Huh? Wanna get some tacos? Take a break? I'm starving. Tacos on me?
Yeah, you hungry?
Oh, I'm starving.
On my way, my Are you there online? No, you got there one.
Nasty. That shit does sound nasty though. No. That shit does sound nasty though. Oh, here comes a land. This is nasty, bro. Bro, my worst nightmare is coming one of these and seeing a land truck Mac. Bro, you know how crazy that would be?